1. All right, you two peeps, we're on Q29. We're looking at Tuesday's homework. We are going to be finding the area of Ella's drawing. And then we are also going to make another bar graph using the data. Okay, Ella is drawing a house. The square is 5 inches on each side. So you need to know that a square, all the sides are the same on a square. You need to know that information in order to answer this question because they only give you one side. But you're supposed to know if they give you one side, then they're giving you all the sides because all the sides are the same. Once you know that all the sides are the same, you're going to use the formula for area, length times width. 5 times 5, 25 feet. Oh, it's not feet. 25 inches squared. 25 inches squared. The main number I'm looking for, though, is 25. Okay, coming right down here, we got another bar graph using the data. Let's make a horizontal one this time. Yesterday we made a vertical one. So if you're going to make it horizontal, the numbers got to go over here. 0 goes right at the corner, just like we did over here. Now we have to figure out what our intervals are. Intervals is the amount of space in between each one. The amount of space, or the amount of digits. Over here, it was 2, 2, 4. The interval is basically what you're skip counting by. We need to make sure we go all the way to 12. I think we can go by 2s again. So let's go. You also want to make sure the space in between each one is the same. You don't want to make that like that and then the next one all big. Okay? You want to make sure all of the marks are kind of the same size apart. And we'll make 14 just for kicks. So see how my spaces are pretty much the same across. Okay, now we're going to put in the subjects. Math, same thing. Have the space about the same. You can just put the first letter there. Okay, math is 9. So we're going to come all the way up in between 8 and 10. Don't color it in nice and thick. Just go like that. That way you can see the bar. Reading is 12. You're going to come all the way to here. Science, 8. Social studies, 6. The only tricky one about this one was the 9. You have to go right in between 8 and 10. Okay, so that's how you convert the data into a bar graph and find the area of a square, length times width.